What's up, Dent coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the emergency update of Dent coin, so keep watch and never miss any second of this video. Never skip, my friends. But before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel and if you don't subscribe my channel, so subscribe now. ABS Take channel for more news and updates videos. At this time, the latest price of Dent coin in the market is 0.003 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Dent coin. And on the other side, if you look the BTC Bitcoin price of the Dent, so 0.000008 BTC is the currently Bitcoin price of the Dent coin. My friends, the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, everything is present on the front of your eyes. Available supply, total supply, every update you can see now on the screen, my friends. My friends, on the other side, if you look, the price changes occur in the Dent coin. So completely, you already know about that the price of Dent coin is falls down very badly, especially from the yesterday. Yesterday is the falling day of all cryptocurrencies: Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba. All cryptocurrencies falls down yesterday. Same like that, the Dent coin also falls down yesterday. You can see last 24 hours yesterday price changes is negative. In last 1 hour, last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Dent coin is negative. From the previous last 1 month, from the last 1 month, the price of Bitcoin is going down, and they have no idea to take a pump, my friends. But from the chart, my friends, my prediction tell us, my technical analysis tell us that now it's a pumping time. You know what, my friends? That is the common rules. That is the common procedure of cryptocurrencies market. That after a falls, there is jump, and now the Dent coin also falls down very badly. So now it's time to take a pump. That is my prediction that Dent coin will take a huge pump, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Dent coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.